Question 16, part A. Chai shares $480 in the ratio 2:3:7. Capture the value of the largest share. So the largest share, of course, is going to come from the biggest share in the ratio, which corresponds to the 7. So largest share shall be equal to 7. Then divide by the total of this, that is 2 plus 3 plus 7, which is 12. Then times the 480. So we have 7 out of 12 times 480. 12 can go into 48 4 times, and then the 0 there. 7 times 4, that is 28. Then there is the other 0, so that is 280. Part B, simplify these ratios. 98, this one cannot be divided by 2. This one cannot be, 98 can be divided by 2, but this one no. Okay, how about 3? When you go to 3, we have 90, 93, 96, 99, so 3 not there. How about 4? There is 88, there is 92, 96, 100, so even this one is not there. How about 5? Of course not. Then 6, 98, then divide by 6. It is not divisible. But then if you have 98 divide by 7, and you see that you have 14, then 147 divide by 7, you also have what? 21. 7 is in 21 and is also in 14. So that means 7 times 7, that is 49. So in other words, you can actually have something like this, as if I'm finding the highest common factor. So 98, 147, divide by 7. When I divide by 7, this one gives us 14. Okay, 14. And then this one gives us 21. Still, we can divide by 7. Then this one gives us 2. This one is 3. So this is the simplest. Okay, so that means we shall have 2 to 3. You see? Or you can actually put this one directly in the calculator and you say 98 divide by 147. You press equals. The calculator gives you the simplest. 2 out of 3. Okay? And then you write 2, then 3. And then Roman 2, we are using rules of indices here. Okay? Remember, ratios are fractions. So this is the same as saying 2 power 450, then divide by 2 power 452. So we subtract the powers. 450 minus 452. So what do you get here? You'll get 2 to the power of negative 2. Not so? Power negative 2. And this one here is going to be the same as 1 over 2 power 2, which is 1 over 4. That means I will write here 1 and then here a 4. Then 17, part A, solve. X over 3 is equal to 18. So we just cross multiply, because to undo division, we multiply. So x here is going to be equal to 18 times 3, which is 54. 6, part B, we have 6 power 9 out of 6 power y, which is equal to 6 power 11. So using rules of indices, this one is going to be 6, 9 minus y, which is equal to 6 power 11. So since the bases are the same, then even the powers have to be the same. So 9 minus y is equal to 11, meaning I can bring I'm supposed to make y the subject. So bring this 11 here, then take this one this side. Okay? So what does this one give us? We shall now have 9 minus 11 shall be equal to y. And this one gives us a negative 2. And then part C, simplify this one here. So since it is division, we subtract the powers. So we shall have A, then 6 minus 4, then times. We have B, here it is minus 2, then minus these 3 here. And then we shall have A power 2, then times B power negative 5. I can write my answer like this, or I can write it as A squared over B power 5. I can take this one down, okay? So just like that.